Want to stop auto updates in Hostinger? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to disable them quickly and easily. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once you're in, head over to the Websites section and select the website you want to manage by clicking on Dashboard. Now, on the left menu panel, click on WordPress and then choose Security. This will take you to the security settings for your selected website. Scroll down to the WordPress Auto Updates section. You'll find two options here: Smart Auto Updates, which is the recommended option, and Customized. To completely stop auto updates, select Customized. Under the WordPress Core, Theme, and Plugin sections, choose No Updates from each drop-down menu. Once done, click the Save button to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully disabled auto updates on Hostinger. Want more tutorials like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, check out my affiliate link in the description to get an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.